Blackstone Publishing presents If the Universe is Teeming with Aliens, Where is Everybody? Second edition. 75 Solutions to the Fermi Paradox and the Problem of Extraterrestrial Life by Stephen Webb. This book is read by Dan Woren. To Chaika and Jessica. Forward. Are we alone in the universe is one of the oldest and most universal questions. For a century or more, it has stimulated brilliant science fiction, and it's now incentivizing real science and exploration. But we still lack evidence. Indeed, we know too little to say whether intelligent aliens are likely or unlikely to exist. That's why we need all the arguments that can be mustered, and that's why this book will be such a stimulus to all inquiring minds. There may be simple organisms on Mars, or remnants of creatures that lived early in the planet's history, and there could be life, too, in the ice-covered oceans of Jupiter's moon, Europa, or Saturn's moon, Enceladus. But few would bet on this, and certainly nobody expects a complex biosphere in such locations. For that, we must look to the distant stars, far beyond the range of any probe we can now construct. Prospects are here far brighter. In the last 20 years, and especially in the last 5, the night sky has become far more interesting and far more enticing to explorers than it was to our forebears. Astronomers have discovered that many stars, perhaps even most, are orbited by retinues of planets, just like the Sun is. These planets aren't generally detectable directly. Instead, they reveal their presence by effects on their parent star that can be detected by precise measurements. Small periodic motions in the star induced by an orbiting planet's gravity, and slight recurrent dimmings in a star's brightness when a planet transits in front of it, blocking out a small fraction of its light. There is special interest in possible twins of our Earth. Planets the same size as ours, orbiting other sun-like stars, on orbits with temperatures such that water neither boils nor stays frozen. The Kepler spacecraft has identified many of these, and we can confidently infer that there are billions in our galaxy. Within 20 years, the next generation of telescopes will image the nearest of these planets. Will there be life on them? We know too little about how life began on Earth to lay confident odds. What triggered the transition from complex molecules to entities that can metabolize and reproduce?
Sample complete. Ready to continue?